This video will show you how to use Python to predict future lottery numbers. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm assuming you know the basics of Python and will be demonstrating using the code editor that comes with Python, called idle. Once you've opened idle, you will need to create a new file, which will be the Python script used to select lottery numbers. In this example, I am creating a new Python script named Mega Millions Demo and saving it to my Python scripts folder. And now we are ready to start coding. The New Jersey Mega Millions winning lottery numbers consist of 5 numbers between 1 and 70 and 1 mega number between 1 and 25. Our script reads in all of the past winning lottery numbers over the past year and identifies the top 5 most common numbers. It also identifies the most common mega number. We need to manually create the spreadsheet with all of the past winning numbers for our Python script to use. I have another video that shows these manual steps, and I will paste a link to that video in the description below. For now, I'll just mention the basic steps, which begins with using your browser to find the lottery webpage with the winning numbers. Then copy the winning numbers onto your clipboard. Paste into an Excel spreadsheet. Delete unnecessary columns. Delete blank rows. Split winning numbers into individual cells on sheet 1. Move mega ball numbers to sheet 2. Let's start coding. First, we need to import 2 Python module, pandas and collections. Next, we will create 2 empty lists to use to hold our numbers. Now we are ready to create our first function to read the winning numbers in our spreadsheet into a list Python can use. We will call this function readXLSX and convert winning numbers to list. In our function, we will use pandas to read sheet 1 in the Excel file named mega_mil_lottery.xlsx data into a data frame called file data, and use the values and to list methods to convert into a list called list_of_rows. Now we have a list of rows from the spreadsheet, and each row contains 5 winning numbers. We need to read each row and append each number into a final list called list_of_numbers. Once we have all of the numbers in this final list, we can use Python to find the 5 most common numbers. We will write another function to do that later. Now that we've created our first function to read in all of the past winning numbers, we are ready to create our second function to read in all of the past mega numbers. We will name this function read_xlsx_convert_megaball_nums_to_list, and it will be very similar to our first function. The only difference is we are reading in the mega numbers from sheet 2 of our spreadsheet instead of the winning numbers from sheet 1. Now that we have a function to read in all of the winning numbers and a function to read in all of the mega ball numbers, we can write 2 more functions to find the most common numbers. This function will be called predict_future_winners and use the counter module we imported at the top of this script to determine the 5 most common numbers. The final function we create will very similar, but finding the most common mega ball number. Now we are at the fun part. We get to call each function and see the results. We will call the read_xlsx_n_convert_winning_nums_to_list, which will return the past winning numbers, and then pass those results to the function that determine the most common numbers. This will give us the 5 numbers to play in the next drawing. The only thing left is to do the same for the megaball number. We will call the read underscore xls6 underscore an underscore convert underscore megaball underscore nums underscore to underscore list, which will return the list of all past megaball numbers and pass the results to the function predict underscore future underscore mega underscore number past underscore mega underscore nums to find the most common megaball number. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, let's see which numbers Python thinks we should play in the next Mega Millions lottery. We can press F5 to run the scripts and see the results. Obviously, the numbers to pick for the next Mega Millions drawing are 3, 7, 21, 40, 58, and Megaball 24. Good luck! If you win, please remember to share a little with me. This is my first how-to video and I rushed through it to get it posted before the big drawing on July 29th, with a jackpot of over $1 billion. I'm sure it can be improved in a bunch of ways, and if I get a few views I will continue to update and improve it.